Hello, would you like to know how this nice hydrogen gets into this car and what is necessary for the complete supply chain for hydrogen from the source, which is renewables, through electrolyzers, all the way through compression into this nice 700 bar tank? Welcome. We will tell you in a second. So it all starts with wind energy and photovoltaics from the lovely sun. After the renewable energy is generated, it goes into this little container. And what is inside? It's an electrolyzer inside. We are building this at Hydron in Brazil. So in this little container, renewable power is transferred to hydrogen and oxygen by electrolysis. So once the hydrogen is generated in the electrolyzer with a discharge pressure of 40 bar, it needs to be compressed. The best way to compress hydrogen are reciprocating compressors. In this case, it's a diaphragm compressor. This compression solution compresses the hydrogen to 500 bar for trailer filling. So what you see here is a crankcase for a huge compressor for hydrogen. These kinds of materials are necessary for hydrogen storage in salt caverns or for pipeline compression. What you see here is only one part of the crankcase. In total, these machines will weigh more than 100 tons. Let's find a cylinder that compresses the hydrogen. So in these cylinders, the hydrogen is finally compressed to whatever the pipeline pressure is or the pressure in the salt cavern. Up to 200 bar hydrogen is stored. So here you can see a hydraulically driven piston compressor. With this machine you can reach the 900 bar which are necessary for 700 bar HRSs, which are hydrogen refueling stations. Basically, a dispenser is connected to this compressor system or to the complete fueling station, and then you can fill up your hydrogen electric car.
Here you can see how the H2 economy will very likely develop. Primary energy sources are used to generate hydrogen. With the ongoing energy transition, the share of renewable energy will increase to fulfill the global decarbonization commitments made. Whenever possible, this renewable energy is utilized directly. Due to the volatile character of the renewable energy generation, an energy carrier for transporting and storing huge amounts of energy is needed. The conversion of power to hydrogen offers an excellent answer to that challenge. Hydrogen can be generated by various methods. The most widespread ones are the different types of electrolysis and the reforming of methane. Depending on the energy source and the additional post-generation treatment, this can be done in a carbon-neutral way. NEA Group member Hydron's portfolio consists, among others, of pressurized PEM electrolyzer packages and methane or ethanol reformers. For transportation and storage, be it in bottles, trailers or pipelines, the hydrogen almost always must be compressed. Here Neumann Esser can play out its almost century-long experience with its core products, reciprocating compressor solutions. Piston and diaphragm compressors offer an unmatched efficiency and reliably compress hydrogen to any practically desired pressure in all needed quantities. This also applies to compressor solutions used in hydrogen refueling stations for cars, buses, trucks, and even trains. Neumann & Esser even is involved in the consumption side of the hydrogen value chain by offering mobility concepts with fuel cell range extenders or supporting the generation of hydrogen-based synthetic fuels. By being able to offer generation, compression, and even consumption components out of one hand, Neumann & Esser is able to design and engineer these components of the H2 value chain towards an optimized overall system from which our clients can greatly benefit. We, the agile solution experts of Neumann & Esser, can proudly say that we already are H2 ready. We are looking forward to receiving your requests all along the H2 value chain. Contact details can be found on our website under www.neumann-esser.de. See you around.